Hello, my name is Debbie Reynolds. They call me the Data Diva. Today I want to talk about data privacy and behavioral data creation. So imagine with me that you have a television, the television is turned off, yet there is advertising happening on your television and it's being attributed to you as if you watched television. This is a situation that is happening in the ad tech space right now where fraud investigators are looking into attribution of watching television, where because certain smart or connected TVs have systems that run almost like an interface to the TV, that sometimes those ad systems are counting even when you're not watching TV, even if the TV is off, even if the TV is sleeping, that you're actually watching ads and they're getting paid for that. But the reason why I brought up this topic is to talk about AI systems, and behavioral data. A lot of times when we think about AI systems, and that's talk, I'm hearing about people talking about AI systems, they talk about it as if you get data in and then data comes out, and that's what you need to govern. But this is an example of AI systems, and this happens a lot, where AI systems are creating data that about people that is not true, right? So in this case, from a user perspective or a human perspective, it may not seem as if it's harmful, but if that data is used to infer something about someone, maybe it's something bad, you never know, or if it's used to derive some type of assumption about someone, that can become harmful. We also seen in the past, especially around cookies, where cookies were really, for me, I think of cookies as a mode of transportation, right? And so a lot of people demonize what the cookie was because the technology was created to help people save their settings when they go from website to website. And then it was being misused by people to use to spy on people and also try to gather information about that person, their behavior, not only to sell things, but things like fingerprinting and things on people's devices. So to me, this is an example of two things. One is the ability to take a technology that was meant for one thing and use it or misuse it for another thing. But the other thing, more serious thing that we're not really thinking about is the data in AI systems that's created that is attributable to someone, but is not true. So I think it's going to be very interesting to see. I know these types of technologies, they get reused and repurposed in creative ways, not always positive ways. But I think this underlies the thing that I say a lot is that governance really isn't a linear process anymore. And I think when we're thinking about AI governance, we have to think about the data that's created, not just the stuff that goes in or what comes out. That's it. Thank you.